Hey guys, how is everybody this evening? So I'm so excited. If you haven't yet heard, we just had conference. I saw the new catalog for fall. There's some amazing stuff. But before we get to fall, we obviously still have a month left of summer. I found out from your responses and such that a lot of the schools are starting earlier than I anticipated. My youngest will be in college this year, so I'm not quite on that calendar in the same way anymore. But yeah, it's before the end of August for sure for a lot of you, although not everybody. But so don't forget there are two things I want to tell you. Number one, if you want something before the start of school, get a hold of me soon because you're going to want to leave those 2 weeks. Now, a lot of this time, they have been able to ship things in a shorter time than the 2 weeks, but just in case you don't want to get to the first day of school and not have what you need. So if there's a backpack or a lunchbox or something like that you need, um, then you're going to want to get that a little bit earlier and make sure you've got it in time for school. And if you need help finding one specific kind or one that will fit perfectly for your child's needs or for yours if you're a teacher or you work in the schools, just make sure you contact me and I'll help you find the perfect one for you. The other thing is, I am offering a sneak peek at the fall catalog if you get a hold of me and you book a party anytime between now and the end of the year. So you've got lots of months in there to go ahead and have a party. You can do it virtually. In fact, almost all of my parties are virtual now because we're all busy and I get it. Um, or you can even just get a link from me. And basically, that's just a link that you can share with your friends. I give you a catalog, all of that, and you can still get the same points as if you partied. The other thing to keep in mind is you can do what's called a last chance first glance, which means you have a party that goes through the last week of August and the first week of September. So your customers would then get to shop from both catalogs, and you actually would then get hostess rewards in September. So you would get some of the new stuff with your hostess rewards. So something to keep in mind. But anyway, before this catalog leaves us, because like I said, we still have August, I wanted to talk about some of the items. I'll do some this week and some next week that will be leaving us that I think are really wonderful items. It is always possible to come back next year, but we never know. So if you love these, make sure you grab them, okay? First one is a wallet. In fact, the first three are wallets. This is the Light Traveler wallet. Now, I should have taken this off, but this is literally the reason it's called the Light Traveler wallet is because it is for just a few things. It works great for little trips or if you just like to carry just a small amount. Here we go. Got the tissue paper off for you. It has these slots here. Then it has, this obviously is a brand new one, an open slot there for change or more cards or cash. And then it has a clip here. And you can just clip it on to different things, like a bag or something like that. And this is currently available in this print and one other. I believe it's black, and they're $18. However, if you find you don't like either of those prints, don't ever forget. If you see something and go, might like another print, don't ever forget to ask. Ask me if I've got it in another print. If I do, I might just, and I know I do have it in some other colors in this one. But again, Light Traveler wallet, two prints. This is one of them, $18. The next one is also a wallet. I'm going to show you two of them, okay? This is the Half Moon card wallet, okay? And it's called that because it's a half moon, okay? These are two of the three colors that are available. So let me put one of these down here. The features are obviously all the same. So you have, sorry, they always come with these desiccant packs in there. So you have a nice wide open pocket, but then it's got two little sub pockets for you to put cards or cash or what have you in here. Cute little half moon shape, which I think fits well in a pocket. And then you've got another clip. I'm going to leave the tissue paper on this one. So again, you could clip it onto a bag or you could put a wristlet on there so that you can put it around your wrist, that kind of thing. Again, there's this color, and one other color available, and they're $22. So the Half Moon wallet, okay? Then the third one, again, and one more wallet. This is the this is the clip and zip wallet. Now, This is available in 5 different prints. This like jean print is one of them. And again, it's got the clip, so don't forget a wristlet's always a good addition to any of these wallets. This is the wallet I carried around Disney World. I think it works great if you're looking for a smaller wallet, but I like to have more stuff in mine. So something like the light card wallet just doesn't work for me. But I know it works for some. But it has an ID slot here, you see, with the little clear thing there, and a couple of cards there. And then I like, one of my favorite features of this one is that snaps shut. You can tell it's a little stiff because it's brand new, but I promise it works well. And then it has, this is my favorite feature, it has a wide open slot there for cash, extra cards, things like that, that just zips shut. So you can put things like your cash, your change, medical cards, things like that, that you don't need to have quick access to, and then put your main cards in the other slot. Again, this is available in 5 different prints. This jean type print is one of them. It's called the Clip and Zip Wallet, and it's $28. Now, this next item I have talked about a lot, but because it's leaving us, I thought it was worth talking about again. This is the clear, I always say it wrong, clear clip pouch. I have to say it slowly. It is a thermal, and I will tell you, this is available in my stock. Most of the patriotic and summer prints have left us, although the things that were in the original catalog are still here. It is a nice size thermal. It comes with a clip as well, so you can clip it onto other bags. Again, I used one of these when we were in Disney World, and I actually would put a small ice pack and then like fresh fruits and vegetables to take with us, so we had some healthier snacks with us. It's got a small pocket in the back, which is nice for things like you're throwing in some napkins or hand sanitizer, or even the hand sanitizing wipes, that kind of thing. But the feature that so many people have loved about this, and this works great for this, is this clear screen on the front. It does zip shut, so whatever you put in that front pocket, that front clear pocket, stays sealed in there. But it's great for multiple reasons. You can operate a cell phone through here. And what's nice about that is if you're on the beach, you don't get sand and stuff in it. If you're like my daughter and you work in a hospital, you don't get dirty fingers on it. You can operate your cell phone and then just disinfect the outside of the pocket, and your phone stays clean. All kinds of options like that. If you take it to the pool, or even just use it out back if you have a pool in your own yard, then you can keep water off of it. So nice feature to have there, to be able to operate your cell phone through this pouch. But even as we head into fall and winter, even though this is obviously leaving us in September, it has uses for if you're traveling. It has uses, again, even if you, I know people who like to take a bath and then they keep their phone beside it. You can even put this beside there. So, but also, this works well because it is a thermal. It's a good size. I have been told, I am not a diabetic, but I have been told this is a good size for diabetic supplies too, because you can fit what you need in there and put an ice pack in there. So something to keep in mind. And then of course you can put other items that you need to keep disinfected in the front, that sort of thing. This is available in 2 different ways, okay? It's available in 7 prints either way. But you can buy one of these for $14, or you can bundle them as 2 and get 2 of them for $24. So you save $4 if you buy 2 of them instead of 1. Something to keep in mind. And again, don't forget, if you're looking for a specific print or a print that you don't see, ask me. I might just have it, or I might be able to find it for you. Now, the Foldaway Tote comes in 5 different prints. This is not one of the current ones, but the style is the same. I love this tote. Okay, so it's $18, but it looks like just a basic bag, right? A little wrinkly. Here's why it's wrinkly. See this little like pocket looking thing here? You do this, and literally, and I mean, this is not hard. You can see it's not, I'm not even watching myself do it. I guess I kind of am. But, but it pulls into this pocket, handles and all, and then it's got a string and a bead. See how small that is? I keep one of these in my purse at all times because we have a farmer's market that inevitably I drive by and want to go to, and I forget that it's that day, even though it's on the same day every week. Anyway, if you're running errands, if you're out and about, If you're in Disney World or an amusement park or something and you want to go shopping, you can get one. You can open this up, put items in there, makes it easier to carry it around. And again, it comes in 5 different print options. Unfortunately, this is not one of them. And it's $18, so it's relatively inexpensive. These also make great gifts. So as you're starting to think for like Christmas and stockings, especially if you do stockings for older kids, that kind of thing, something very handy to have. Now, this last thing you can only get if you host in August, because it is leaving us in September, because this is a Hostess exclusive. Now, a Hostess exclusive just means you can't get it unless you host a party or have a link and have at least $200 in sales, which is not hard to reach. It sounds hard sometimes, but it's really not. So this is called the roll call organizer. This is another one that I have trouble saying for some reason. Okay, so it rolls up. You can see here. Okay, I'll fully roll it up for you in a minute. But it comes with 3 different pouches. Okay, it's got this large one and 2 other ones. They're all wipeable. And watch, they each have like a slot on or a strip on here that you can just pop them onto, right? And it's just Velcro. That's all it is. But each of these pouches zips. Obviously, this is one of the smaller ones. It comes with the paper in it to make it. It's wipeable, and you can put all kinds of items in there. So it makes a great toiletry bag. It would make a great art bag, or a bag for different supplies for your kids, for toys and stuff. A journaling bag even. And watch, then when you want to take it with you, you just roll it like this, pull the handle through, and again, it velcros shut. Sorry, this, see? Harder to do when you're standing up. It velcros shut. Isn't that nice? And again, all you have to do is host a party, and you can pick between this and 4 other items, I believe it is. It's called the Roll Call Organizer. This is one of the prints, one of 3 that it's available in, and it's $28. And you only have to have $200 in sales to get it. So something to keep in mind. So that's 6 of the items that are leaving us. Sorry, I know sign language, and sometimes I slip into that. So that's 6 of the items that are leaving us in September. Next week, we'll talk about another 6 that are leaving us. But I wanted to give you some ideas of how you can potentially grab these before they're gone and use them for all kinds of things that will help you hopefully keep organized at home and on the go. As always, if you need another print, if you need help finding the right solution for you, especially if you're looking at that back to school and stuff and there's something you need for somebody, please reach out. I'm happy to help you find the right thing for you. Have a great evening, guys, and talk to you soon. Bye.